Alright, so today I'm going to be starting this special Tamiya build. It is the Porsche 911 Carrera. I am going to be doing this for one of the guys up at Hobbytown. Everything full assembly, adding all the electronics, doing all of the paint and final touches, and then I'll get with him and we'll do the first drive. Alright, so you've got the body, wheels, rim barrels, the faces, which will be painted a different color. It's going to be a fun assembly. Not using the stock electronics. Alright, we got the books and the stickers. Some beautiful stickers. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Oh yeah. Let me just fast forward to everything on the table because it is a good bit of stuff. Alright, so we've got all the pieces laid out. I've got everything to paint the body, paint the wheel face, which we've gone a couple different colors, so I'm going to not say and keep that a surprise. Got the electronics. We're going to go Spektrum, Brushless, Eco Power, steering servo, and then I'm going to be pairing it to his DX5C. Alright, I'm going to jump into it. Alright, so now that I got all the parts laid out everywhere, that's open, I'm going to start on things. It's very in-depth. So I'm gonna go through, I'll do about maybe a page or two, depending on where we're at, describe what's going on, and time lapse through. Alright, so we're done through step 8. Got the deck on to the main part of the chassis, motor, and gearbox with the servo mount. So next, I'll get everything together for the differentials, stage them, and get the time lapses of those done. So much fun. Truly enjoy putting these together and painting the bodies and a little of everything. Alright, so I got everything together to do steps 9, 10, and 11. I will probably finish out with doing the rear arms, upper arms, and attaching the gearbox, the gear differential unit. And then the next video will be the rest of the chassis build, along with making sure the electronics work, binding the controller, and then the last part of the series will be painting the body, painting the wheel faces, and doing all the final touch assembly and getting with the owner and doing the first drive. That is the correct way for it to be. Had to move the wires over because they were too close and I didn't realize it. I was thinking I might be able to get away with it, but definitely couldn't. So, alright, back to what I was doing. Alright, so the last step in part A of the instructions of putting this together is attaching the lower rear arms. So it's going to be T1, T3, T5. This is why I snip them. Two of the P7s. These you put sideways and snap. Gotta love when that happens. Alright, so we need A7, which is this. A little bit of grease. And pop that in. Then we'll do the opposite on these. We'll do it like that. Okay. And then that's two of the MA2s. Alright, so back arms are on. Cool. So next we will be starting on part 2, which starts with the rear uprights, attaching them, attaching the rear bumper. Looks like a good bit. pretty much the rest of the suspension. And then C is looks like the rest of the electronics.